Many of you, when it comes to Google Classroom, are still making mistakes in terms of how you access Classroom and how you check up on the work that you need to do. So here are a few tips for how you can make use of Classroom to ensure that you get your work done. Firstly, many of you are accessing Classroom from your email. This is not the correct way to go about it. What you should be doing is going to Chrome, and once you've signed into Chrome, you're going to go to these 9 dots. This is called the waffle icon. Click on the waffle icon and click on Classroom. You don't need to go through your email. This will then bring you to this screen where you will see all of your classes listed, and here is my grade 10 class that I'm a member of. More importantly, there is the to-do section. If I click on to-do, it opens all my classes with all the work that is due. In other words, the work that is assigned. I can go back and see what work I have missed by clicking on missing, and I can see what work I have submitted by clicking on done. So, for example, if I go to missing, I can see that there is a piece of work I have not yet done. Click on it, wait for it to load, and I can attach something to that. Often I make use of formative quizzes for my classes. So what will have happened is you will have clicked on formative, you would have gone off to another website, completed your formative quiz, and forgotten to come back here and mark as done. Very important that you mark it as done, even if you have submitted the formative quiz on the separate website. You still need to come back to Classroom and mark that as done. Now I'm going to go back to my to-do list, and I can, on my to-do list, if I was part of more than one class, I could filter these by the particular class that I was looking at, or I can filter, as you can see here, what is due this week, what is due next week, what is due later. So I can see that I've got this, which is due today. So I need to make sure that I do that piece of work. If I've submitted a piece of work and suddenly realize that I want to add something to it, I would go to Done, go and find the piece of work, and then you unsubmit that. Yes, I want to unsubmit. Now I can update, I can add, for example, if there's a document that I want to upload, etc. And again, as soon as I've done that, click hand in, and that is now listed under my done items again. This is how I expect you to keep on top of what work you need to be doing. Please don't make use of your email. Rather do it directly through the to-do list, because that will show you more clearly what you still need to do, what you haven't yet done, and what is already completed. The other way to access this is to go into the classroom and to go to classwork. In classwork, there are all of the topics, and each of my classes for each of the grades will have a series of topics. I can filter by a particular topic. So let's say I want to filter by biochemistry. It will now show me only the posts that are relating to biochemistry. Okay, and there are all the posts over there. I can now click on a particular material if I want, and I can see, oh, this was a material, and I know that that's a material because of the icon that is there. If I'm looking for an assignment, let's just go to all of them. If I'm looking for an assignment, you can see that the assignment is that icon. It's also a slightly different color. So things that are materials tend to be the gray. Things that are the assignments that you need to complete tend to be the brighter colors. Okay, so that's just a few tips in terms of how you can make better use of Classroom to ensure that you don't miss any work and to ensure that you hand in all your work on time.